you're watching VernTube, and I have my brother today. He's gonna show you his guns from Christmas. So now talk to him.
Hi, this is Zechariah, and I'm making a video for my sister, and I'm gonna be showing my son gun. So let's get started. Okay, so here's this Nerf gun. It has the scope, and here's the aimer, and the target, and I'm gonna shoot it, and I will put it another. I use number bullets in there, and I'm having the bullet. And I put the bullet in for this one. This is the loader, and you can see how to do this with the bullet. And you can go like this. And it also has this. And this is, you have to put this on. And I don't know why these are on here. Here's where the bullets go. And there's another one too. There's only one of these. Only one of these. Watch this right there. Block. And what?
So I hope you guys like that video. Subscribe and
subscribe on top of the and make a thumbs up on top of my room too. And see you guys next time.